Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to make buttered bread. First of all, you'll need to find a plate. It should be in a cupboard somewhere in your kitchen. Then find bread. You can find bread either inside a bread box in your kitchen, a supermarket, inside a bird feeder, floating on top of ponds, or in your freezer, depending if you freeze bread or not. After you have found the bread, make sure you get one slice of bread to put into the toaster. Wait for about 2 minutes until the bread is cooked. Then take the bread out of the toaster and put onto a plate. Remember that you can burn yourself either on the toast or toaster, so be careful. You can also have slightly undone bread or burnt bread, and I've also heard that people cook bread in the oven, but I don't know why they do that. Anyway, it's time to get the butter out the fridge. Usually you want to get the spreadable butter, but you can get a large scoop of butter to put on the toast and to let it melt if you prefer. After spreading the butter, it's time to add some seasoning. I like to add lemon juice and black pepper to mine, but it's up to you. Then you are done. That is the end of this cooking tutorial. You can do a lot with this recipe, and I hope you'll share your recipe ideas with me. Thank you for watching.